Farm with 3.5 hectares, for sale in central Portugal. Plenty of water, with farmhouse and annex. Farm with 35,547 square meters, with renewed farmhouse and attachment, for sale in central Portugal, 15 minutes from Castelo Branco. Totally flat land, with great sun exposure. The farm has 2 buildings. A recent construction for storing agricultural equipment and utensils, another stone construction with 22 square meters, old farmhouse recently renovated. Alongside is a large waterwheel pit. Fertile land with about 320 olive trees, which allow the production of more than 2 tons of olives per year. Various fruit trees such as pear, peach, orange, lemon and plum trees, vines and vegetable garden. Drop-by-drop irrigation system installed in the field, powered by an automatic electric pump that extracts water from one of the 2 wells, facilitating farming practice. The access to the farm is made via tarmac road. From the paved road to the entrance of the farm, there are about 150 meters dirt road. Connection to the electricity network at about 250 meters. Located near the town of Ladosa, with easy access, 20 minutes from Castelo Branco and about 5 kilometers from the access to the highway.